Hi there, I'm Candy Sherwin. This is a tutorial for the dance called Little Heartbreak. It's a high beginner level, 32 counts, 4 walls. It has one easy tag into a restart. And this is choreographed by Jeff Camps and Ray Verdonk. Sorry about that. I'm going to turn around and get started. Okay, you start with your right foot stepping back. Right, touch your left, and triple forward with a shuffle, step together, step. Forward step on your right, quarter turn, put all your weight on your left foot at 9 o'clock. And we're going to start a weave over, out, under, point. That actually gets you to count 2. So I'm going to go back and do it with counts. Stepping back on the right foot, we have 1, touch, 2, triple 3, and 4. Forward 5, quarter on the left 6, crossing 7, open 8, crossing back, point. That's 2. One more time. 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, triple 3, and 4. Quarter 5, 6, go 7, 8, 1, 2. Left foot to continue in that 8 count is going to do a point across, 3, 4. Now you're going to take this foot and you're going to go over 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to weave the other way. So again, I ended up, I'll turn this way. My leg was out here on 2. We go 3, 4. Now cross over into another weave. Front, side, back, side. And allow your body to rotate with that. It will make the weave and the connections to the next step a lot easier. Okay? Let's go that far from the beginning. 6, 7, 8. Step 1, touch 2, triple 3, and 4. Quarter turn 5, 6. Weave 7, 8. Under 1, point 2. Cross 3, 4. Weave over 5, 6, 7, 8. You're on your right foot. You are at 9 o'clock. We're going to do a little cross rock shuffle, kind of like similar to a Lindy, but in the wrong order. You're going to go over cross, rock, triple step. Okay, so that goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you need to see that at a better angle, rock, recover, side together, side. Now from here, you're at that wall, but I'm going to show it here. It's a jazz square with a quarter turn. So I'm going to go over, back, side, and finish it with a crossover. Okay, now I'm going to be at this wall, so I'm going to take it left, right. Did I do that wrong? Let's try that again. That's right. I've gone here, da, ba, ba, ba. I was on the wrong foot. Take your right foot, cross it over, back, side, and over. Okay? I'm going to go back to the beginning. I'm going to add that on without that silly mistake, starting on the correct foot. Right foot starts. 6, 7, 8. Go step, tap, shuffle, front, quarter turn. Now weave on 7, 8. 1, point 2, cross 3, 4. Weave 5, 6. Cross rock shuffle. 1, 2, triple 3. Here's your box. Right, left, right, left. This gets you right back to your starting wall, and there's one more count of 8. From here, we're going to take a little Monterey turn. We're going to point, we're going to turn a quarter and step on your right foot. Take your left foot and do a point, and instead of stepping on it like we usually do at the end of a Monterey, you're going to leave it a touch. Okay? So the Monterey goes point, step on your right, point your left, touch your left. Diagonal step forward, open out, left, right, and then you're going to triple back, left, right, left, which will lead you into the beginning. Okay? So you've just finished your jazz square, and you're on your left foot. We're going to go 1 step, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The dance starts at 3 o'clock. Okay? Back to the beginning, we'll do 2 walls. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, 2, shuffle 3, and 4. Quarter 5, 6, weave 7, 8. Weave 1, point 2, cross 3, 4. Weave 5, 6, 7. Cross rock, triple left, 2, 3, and 4, jazz square, quarter turn, and with across, Monterey. 2, 3, 4, take out, out, cha, cha, cha. Go 1, 2, triple 3, and 4, forward 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cross rock. 1, 2, chasse 3, and 4, box 5, 6, 7, Monterey to 6, the clock, touch the left, and out, out, cha, cha, cha. Start it again. Okay? Now, there is one very, very simple tag that we're going to do at the end of wall 4 before you start wall 5. So you're going to be back to 12 o'clock when you do this. So you'll make one full round, and before you start the dance again, once you've gotten here, you've done your cha, 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 you're going to step, we're going to make a kind of a little case step with this, but starting back. We're going to go step, touch, okay, back, step back to where you came from with a stomp, step, stomp. And then take the right diagonal forward, right, left, left, stomp. And then you can start the whole thing back again. So the tag goes right, tap, left, stomp, right, tap, left, stomp, start the dance again. Okay? That's the only tag in there, it's the only restart. Everything else is very simple. Again, that is at the end of wall 4 before you start wall 5, so you are back at 12 o'clock. All right? This has an 8-count intro, so it's kind of a faster one. I'm going to turn around and we'll try it with some music. 5, 6, 7, go. Baby, turn it to your weave. Can't even talk about point across, weave again. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross. 2. Here's your jazz box. Monterey tap, left, right, triple back. Step in front, quarter turn weave. Tell me how you do it. How you take a cross rock triple. Chasse square. We're going to go to 6 o'clock, step left, right out, triple back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point. Left, right, start it again. 1. Weave. Weave again. Here's your box. Now we're coming to our little tag. Here's your tag. Step together, step, stomp. Step together, step, stomp. Into your weave. It's cold in California, but I'm sure it must be warm. And we take a box. Whoever's next to you, I'm still crying. Take it front, quarter turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. And point. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Cross. Heartbreak. That is sung actually by Richard Marx. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please do me a favor and subscribe if you haven't done so. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, whatever you want. I live here in Los Angeles, and I hope to see you on the dance floor. Thanks again.